Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Samsung's normal LED HD TV. For example, you accidentally change your TV language to another language that you don't know how to change it back. So if you meet this problem, so just follow my instruction. First of all, you just press the menu on the TV remote and then press the right and then go all the way down to the setup. Press the right button and just go to the second button and select it. Now you can change to another language. It has the Chinese and Thailand. So for example, now I change it to Chinese and then return to the home screen. And now I want to change it back to the English. Just press manual button and go all the way down to this logo, and then you can press the right button and just go one button down to the second button and select on it. Now you can see the word English on here. Just select on it and now everything back to the English. And I think that's all for today's video of how you can change the language on your Samsung normal LED HD TV. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.